Hi guys, today I'm painting a stitched sole. Stay with me to see how I've done it. First I dipped my brush into red and black paint. I'm flipping my brush so black stays outside. These dark parts will become then a ribbon which goes away and hiding in the hole. With the same brush I'm doing a bow and then starting shadowing half of my face with a Mehron StarBlend. For bigger space at my arm, I just used the grey face paint and blended it in. Then I separate two sides of my face with a black line. With a white color, I'm adding highlights to my ribbon and also outline a bow. I like to smudge during highlighting, so it looks a bit uneven and through that a bit more realistic. Now I'm doing exactly the opposite. I'm shadowing around the bow, inside of it, and below the ribbons. I'm also outlining each end of the ribbon with black so it becomes the hole where it's hiding. With white lines I'm going across the face which was shadowed before, and then I'm making this crisscross pattern and then adding dots in the place when they are meeting. Before going into pattern I'm adding edge of my fabric and then starting to paint roses. I'm painting big simple shapes of flowers and leaves. The general idea is to fill in the fabric of the lace with simple shapes that are distributed evenly. With a mix of red and black, I'm shadowing around the holes, so my skin looks a little bit like irritated. I'll put all the materials that I used in the description down below so you can go and see what I've been using. The last part is to add shadow under the bow and my design is completed. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you decide to recreate the part of it or the whole design, please tag me as Uliankaarty. I'd love to see what you've created.